Hello, good morning सबके welcome करे से Peck district de Josuba pusi laga osor de Sunday laga afternoon de tambo truck ekta bra maigi ekta ke mari gena morai di shewa se police pa inform करे se ke accused driver do ele idu laga same din de hi arrest kuri gena itia police laga custody de ase goshe Police by Janai Dishiki, victim doile, Tai Chokamba Bichide, Community Health Center de Luicheshe, Huilebi, Murishe Wena, Janai Dishe Josuba Police Station de Idia, Patia Nyai Saida Laka, Section 1062 Laga Hisapte, FIR dot register Gurigana, Asegushe. Dimapur Municipal Council Canberra, Monday din de Janai Dishiki, TMC Laga jurisdiction de Rasta Laga site. Nala noile open space kange construction aro demolish kura laga chapra kan nephela bole laga janashe jedi kumba manubra itu laga kotha mana nai gushugule do kanun laga hisab te penalty do dibo ase monday din de notice issue kura ge tmc bra janai di shege chidi Chabra kan phelai na thakishe gole do legal action lobo ase individual contractor aro korbana manu kan ge ase ke Chabra kan do ele TMC laga dumping site 200 paisa pay kuri kana tate phelai dibole laga janai dishe unauthorized locations kan ge Chabra kan phela do hoile tik nai aro itu do ele toret kurobole napare goshe kanun laga hisab te do strictly bra action do lobo goshe Yemgong Baptist Puru Amukam YBBA Canberra MBCC ke chidi likhya ge kwase ke Tunsang Down de February 5th aro 8 laga macho de 89 Nagaland Baptist Church Council laga general meeting de Yemgong delegations kando ele pathai dia nai go ase idu ki karne ase go shogole da Yemgong aro Chang laga macho de traditional shawl laga mamla karne ase go she YBBA Canberra MBCC ke chiti likhya ke kwase ke Yemgong tribe laga traditional shawl laga opor Chang tribe Canberra ownership claim grado hoile Eastern Nagaland People's Organizations Canberra September 13 2025 te sadal guri dishe goyase evidence kan sop sai gana EMBO Canberra Lokam shawl do hoile Yemgong naga tribe laga ase goi gana recognize aro declare guri she goyase hoile bi YBBA Canberra hilish guri ase ki EMPO laga order thakya laga piche debi Chang tribal leaders kando hoile Lokam shawl laga ownership to itiabi continue claim guri ase kwase itu enuigena festival de Yemgong traditional shawl do lagai gena sophisticated arms kan display guri she kwase itu kan sob incidents kan sai gena Yemgong communities manu kan doile Tunsang town de program ge participate kuri bole eku sandi nai gushe idui noigana Yemgong tribal council Canberra bi January 18 de ekta order ge janai dishi ke Yemgong laga culture aro tradition ge disrespect kura karne Tunsang town de ki bi program kan organize kuribo Yemgong members kan participate nukuribole laga bi ekta directive dishe gona letter de janai dishe YBBA Canberra ekta munduk khobor de MBCC kan ge janai dishe ke Yemgong delegations kan do hele Nagaland Baptist Church Council laga general meeting de nahibo goi kana janai dishe Naga Student Federations Canberra press statement de janai dia se ke whole Nagaland Taxi Association laga director PG de inner line permit na thakya manu kan do ele Nagaland State Transport NST noele alak public transport system misuse kuri gana Nagaland de ahi bole kosis kuri ase kushe NSF kan ba warning gre ase ke chidi inaga ATM kuri gana law violation kuri shugule do date likely bra lobole na paribo kushe NSF kan ba state government Transport Department, NST Authority, District Administration, aro law enforcement agencies kange kwase ke entry points kange bus terminal railway kange ILB verification doile strictly bra enforce koribole laga janashe kun individuals officer noile operator kan ba ta kange motob kuri gana law violation grishe gole do kanun laga hisab te jabo gushe NSF kan ba kwase ke inner line pass doile statutory safeguard ase gushe matters convenience karni nohoi goi gana janai dishe selective enforcement noile administrative lapse issue gole de idolaka purpose toile defeat why ase goshe NSF kan ba ase ke situations laga opor de closely monitor kuri ase aro violations kan ge appropriate step toile lobo goshe 2025 laga Governor Award toile jagali February 2nd de Lok Pawan Kohima de lushe 4 jon individuals aro ekta musical group kange Governor Award to dishe goi ase Nagaland aro Manipur laga Governor Ajay Kumar Balabra Award to dishe aro awardees kange 5 lakhs cash prize bi dishe goi ase Governor Award toile distinction in the field of arts music aro literature laga opore takishe Arts de duijon manu baise manye konyak mon district laga aro Guru Rarenpin ba Mokokchong district laga takishe Music laga line de duida takishe Muka Guzo Pek district laga takishe aro ekta musical group Color Ki goigana tate tinjon members takishe Kihudi Yuhu Niku Kihi aro Kihi Pi Litu goina takishe literature laga line de Wisi Rita Kucha goigana Takhan ke award to dishe literature laga line de Wisi Lita Kricho ge award to dishe Ajila kopor do himande wind up kuri di ase chidi kumba manu notun sai thakile morambra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi goina request kuri di ase thank you